Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. In this video we will show one of the simple chicken farm, which can be built at low budget. This setup is specially made for beginners. You can get into poultry farming business with this system. Within a year you will get sufficient knowledge and experience on layer chicken farming. Then you can make large-scale layer chicken farm. Layer chicken farming. Layer poultry farming means raising egg-laying poultry birds for the purpose of commercial egg production. Layer chickens are such a special species of hens, which need to be raised from when they are 1 day old. Here they grown BV 380 chicken hens. They lay brownish color eggs. And those eggs are enriched with omega-3. This is really good for humans' health. And these big brown eggs price is more than white eggs. They start laying eggs commercially from 18 to 19 weeks of age. They remain laying eggs continuously till they're 72 to 78 weeks of age. They can produce about 1 kilogram of eggs by consuming about 2.25 kilograms of food during their egg laying period. Feed starter feed since 8-week age hens. Then you have to feed 110 to 115 grams of layer mash feed to hens. It will increase egg production in chickens. Vaccinations has to be done on time. Pure clean water is essential for all chickens. Layer chicken farm shed design. This is 18 by 10 feet chicken shed. They're raising 100 chickens in this layer cage system. They kept 5 chickens in each compartment. Water is given to each chickens through automatic drinkers. Feed is given through feed tray. This is inclined in shape. So eggs will roll down and get collected here. Litters will be collected below the cage, and this cage system helps to maintain chickens' hygiene. Shed is made with simple iron rods and good quality Tata sheets. Sides are covered with mesh. It will help to protect birds from predators. Investment depends on the quality of materials used. This farmer invested 1 lakh rupees to make this shed. Now he is getting really good revenue out of it. If you invest 1 lakh, definitely you'll get invested money back within 1 year. Chicken farming marketing and profit. Each eggs can be sold at 13 rupees in India. If you keep 100 chickens, in an average, you will get 95 eggs every day. It is possible only if you feed high quality layer mash feed. If you mix cocopeat with litters, then that will be awesome organic fertilizer. You can use it in your own farm or you can sell it commercially. After egg laying period, you can sell each hens at 550 rupees. So you will get good profit with this simple chicken farming system. This is just a short introductory video on layer chicken farming. Soon, we will do complete documentary guide video on layer chicken farming. Keep watching our videos. Please do subscribe Discover Agriculture channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new video. Hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.